Hey, what's up guys? So TECNO just released two new smartphones in their Camon lineup in India, and they are the Camon 15 and the Camon 15 Pro. These smartphones came just about 6 months after the release of the Camon 12 series, which gained some attention in the mainstream smartphone world here in Africa. So the time will tell if these smartphones will be coming to Africa. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. Both the Camon 15 and the Camon 15 Pro comes with a 6.5 inches display, and the only difference as regards to the screen is that the Camon 15 Pro has a 1080p screen, while the Camon 15 still comes with a 720p display, which means that you cannot even watch 1080p content on YouTube. This is so disappointing to see in 2020 for me, because I believe that even the base model should have a 1080p display. I was expecting TECNO to have upped their game, but it is still what it is. These smartphones are both powered by an octa-core MediaTek processor and not a Snapdragon processor, with the P35 12nm chipset on the Camon 15 Pro and the P22 chipset on the Camon 15. The Camon 15 Pro came bundled with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, while the 15 comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Both models can be upgraded to 256GB with an external SD card. Talking about camera, the Camon 15 Pro has a motorized pop-up 32MP selfie camera. The first time TECNO be having a pop-up camera in its device, while the Camon 15 has a 60MP hole punch selfie camera. The same hole punch technology used on the Camon 12A. To the back of the device, the 15 Pro has a quad camera setup, with the main sensor being 48MP. It has a 5MP ultra wide and two 2MP night lens and micro lens. The Camon 15 also has a 48MP main camera, but details about the rest of the sensors remain unknown. Both devices run the latest Android 10 straight out of the box and has TECNO iOS 6.0 slapped on it. Another disappointing thing about this device is that TECNO still has a micro USB port on it. I was not expecting anything less than a USB Type-C port, but yeah, they shocked us again. But let me know in the comment section if the micro USB is a deal breaker for you. TECNO added a whopping 5000 mAh battery on the Camon 15, which is 1000 larger than what is on the Camon 15 Pro for some reasons best known to them. But I believe that they kind of wanted the battery to also be its selling point. For the pricing, the Camon 15 should be going for about $125 and the Camon 15 Pro for about $165. The actual price will be pinned in the comment section when it's out. So that will be the end of this video. Do you feel pumped about the new Camon devices, and will you be buying the Camon 15 or the Camon 15 Pro when it launches in your country? Let's have a chat in the comment section. My name is Samuel. If you enjoyed this video, a sub would be appreciated.